Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's make this amazing template. First of all, go to the format background and choose a dark background color. And set a rounded corner rectangle and choose the same height and width for the rectangle. And now rotate it like this. And next, what you have to do is make it fully rounded. And go to outline and give it an outline of 6p.t. And change this duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus T and send the shape to the back about 2 times. Select both of them and go to outline and change the outline's color to as same as the background's color. Group them and insert an image in them. Next, insert a text box as the header of the template. Change its color and increase its size. And change the font as well. Here you go. Now insert your content text. Change its color to white and give it some spacing and decrease its size. Let's discuss this text from here and then paste it again onto this template because I want some paragraph spacing. Here you go. And so this template is all complete, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below, and you can also like this video.